Nothing is really the way that we all perceive it to be. The deceived do not know they are deceived. And right now, I want to give you some answers, and we are going to look towards the sun for these answers. Now, you can take that in so many different ways, but literally, if we were to look at the sun, we would see what appears to be a question mark. And some would even say this almost looks as if it's a sickle. Some would say, literally, because these are two large coronal rifts within the sun, that these are the two that are before the sun. And what happens when the two come before the sun and before all for everyone to see, and yet can so many still not see how the answers of everything was right there, still in front of our face? The two before the sun, before the coming. Yes, before the coming, literally, as I just said, before the coming of the glory, of the judgment, of everything to come, the answer was so simply put right there for everyone to see, but twisted in so many ways that nobody would see it except for those who had the ability to see. But the time is now to see the judgment of the two that stand before the sun. And with this, from the sun will shine in his glory, and judgment will begin to come to pass. And yet, could you not see how the answer was really a simple concept twisted within words and time? If only individuals that had the ability to hear what Spirit has said. Even me, as I listened to Spirit, I almost missed everything, for the sun was the sun. And it took me looking through all the different ways that the message was attempted to be told throughout time and space, for the answer of everything was actually a very simple concept. But the human flaw is that we tend to overlook and put too much into something that really is just what it is.